Hello student, welcome to the part 2 of the ages. These are the question asked into the Railway Recruitment Board Technician grid. The question is the ratio of present age of Manmohan and his wife. So present ratio of man is Manmohan and his wife is given 7:6 after 6 year. After 6 year, the ratio of the age will be 8 is to 7 if at the time of marriage the ratio of their age was, when they get married, the ratio was 4 is to 3, then how many year ago from now means today did they get married? So how many years before they get married we need to find. So here it is 6 year gap and the ratio gap is 1, so we can find the multiplier here 6. So the present age of man is 6 sevens are 42 and 6 6 are 36. These are the present age of that man and woman. So as per the options we need to go. So if we go 13 year ago, so 36 minus 13 is how much? 4 and 3 43, and here it is not possible because it is not in the ratio of 3 is to 4. We want the ratio 3 is to 4, it means 13 not possible. If we go with the 18, so 18 year ago means 18 come here, 36 minus 18 is 18, and this 42 minus 18 is how much? 4 and 2, so 6 3 is 6 4 that means 3 is to 4 is to 3 is the ratio come. It means we have to go with the this B option. We just subtracted the 18 years from the present age and we find this ratio will come or not. I think it is clear. क्या किया है, रेशियो लिख दिए और यहाँ से मल्टीप्लायर लेके प्रेजेंट एज का रेशियो निकाला, उसमें से पहले 13 ईयर पीछे गए, फिर 18 ईयर पीछे गए, काट के 4:3 रेशियो आएगा, चेक किए, जो आता है तो 18 आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. ऑप्शन से ही चेक करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 8 year ago the ratio of age of A and B was, it's a present time, from the present 8 year ago the ratio of A and B was 5 is to 4. The ratio of the present age is 6 is to 5. Here it is 8 year gap. What will be the sum of their age of A and B after 7 years? So after 7 years we have to find the sum of the A and B age. So here it is ratio gap between 1 means 5 to 6 is 1, 4 to 5 is 1, so this 1 equivalent to 8 means multiplier is 8. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 into 8 88. So everyone should increase their age by 7 years. So 7 plus 7 14 age will be added, so is 2 102. The sum of their age after 7 year is 102. क्या किया, रेशो में से मल्टीप्लायर फाइंड किया, मल्टीप्लायर 8 आया तो दोनों का सम करना है अपने को, तो 6 प्लस 5 किया 11 आया, 11 को मल्टीप्लायर से मल्टीप्लाई किया 8 से, तो 11 8 88. या फिर 14 क्यों ऐड किया, क्योंकि ये ए का भी एज 7 साल से बढ़ गया और बी का भी एज 7 साल से बढ़ गया, तो 7 प्लस 7 14, तो 14 क्या किया 88 में ऐड किया, तो 102 क्या रहेगा, दोनों का एज का योग रहेगा 7 साल के बाद. आई थिंक समझ में आया होगा. मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एज ऑफ अनीता एंड सुनीता differ by 30 year, means the difference between the Anita and the Sunita is 30 year. 5 year ago, so it's a present time, 5 year ago the Anita was 3 times, means Anita is elder than the Sunita, 3 times as old as Sunita, means the ratio is 3 is to 1, and the year gap is how much? Year gap is 30 year gap is given. So at every time of the age, that age gap is same 30 years. So if we take the difference between the ratio is 2, is 2 equivalent to 30, means 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 equivalent to 30, it means multiplier is 15. So if you want to find the age before 5 years, so 15 3s are 45 and 15 ones are 15. These are the age before 5 year, but what they are asking, they are asking the present age of Sunita. So the 5 year ago the age of Sunita was 15, so 15 plus 5 is 20 year प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सुनीता. सुनीता का प्रेजेंट एज क्या रहेगा? 20 रहेगा. क्या किया? रेशियो का डिफरेंस लिया, 3:1 है तो 2 का डिफरेंस है और वो किसके बराबर है? 30 ईयर्स के बराबर है. तो मल्टीप्लाई लिया 15, 15 इंटू 1 तो 15 क्या आया? सुनीता का 5 साल पहले का एज आया, उसमें 5 साल अगर ऐड करेंगे तो आज का एज निकलेगा, तो 20 ईयर्स आंसर आएगा, 20 वर्ष. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The next question is the difference between the age of father and his son is 15 years. 5 years ago the age of father was twice, so it's a present time. 5 years ago father and the son, father is twice as his son, and it's a difference between the age of father and son is 15 years. So if we take the difference between the ratio is 1 equivalent to this 15 years, so we have a multiplier as a 15. So what they are asking, they are asking the find the present age of both of them. So 15 2s are 30 and 15 1s are 15. These are the present 5 year age of this father and his son. So we are adding the 30 plus 5 means 35 is the present age, and 15 plus 5 is 20 is the present age of son. So 35 and 20 is the correct answer. Move on to the last question of this part. Next is the ratio of the present age of man and his son is 5:3. Present age ratio is given 5:3, man and his son. Average of their present age is 32 years. So average, how, what is the formula of average? Sum of number upon number of numbers. So we are add here 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the sum, but it's a 2 times, so 8 into 2 is 16. 16 equivalent to how much? 32. We get a multiplier as a 2. The ratio of present age of man and his son is 5:3. The average age of their present age is 32 years. Okay, 32 year, it's a 32 year. 5 plus 3 is 8, so 8 is a one person. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8, so the sum like average equals to what? Average equals to sum upon total. So average equals to sum of all, means 5 plus 3 is 8, total number is 2, so here it is 4. 4 is the average. 4 is the average. 4 is the average. So this 4 equivalent to the 32. So we get the multiplier as a 8. So 8 is a multiplier. So 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. This is the present age of this man and his son. So what they are asking, what will be the ratio of the after 6 years? So we are adding the 6 year plus 6. 40 plus 6 is 46, and 24 plus 6 is 30. 46 and 30 after 6 year. 40 plus 6 46, 24 plus 6 30. So 15 23. 23 is to 15 is the ratio after 6 year. I think it is clear to everyone. यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने? एवरेज निकाला. 5 plus 3 is 8, तो 2 नंबर है तो 8 एडिशन आया, तो 8 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एवरेज का फार्मूला क्या होता है? सम ऑफ द नंबर. तो 5 और 3 को एडिशन कर दिया, डिवाइड बाय 2 किया, तो 5 plus 3 कितना होता है? 8. 8 by 2 is 4, तो एवरेज कितना आया 4, वो भी रेशियो में है बट एग्जैक्ट एवरेज कितना है 32 है क्वेश्चन में गिवन। सो 4 का मल्टीप्लायर नहीं करा, 4 8 जा 32, तो 8 से यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 8 5 जा 40 और 8 3 जा 24। ये क्या है, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ मैन एंड हिज सन है। तो अभी क्या करेंगे, उसमें 6 साल के बाद का निकलना है, तो 40 में 6 साल ऐड करेंगे तो 46 हो जाएगा, 23 में 6 साल ऐड करेंगे 30 हो जाएगा, तो 2 से काटेंगे तो कितना आएगा 15:23:15 क्या रहेगा, मैन और उसके सन का एज का रेशियो रहेगा 6 साल के बाद। आई थिंक सभी को समझ में आया होगा। अगर क्वेश्चंस और वीडियो समझ में आ रहा है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और आपके पढ़ाई करने वाले दोस्तों के साथ में शेयर कर दो। प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।